Hi guys, Abhishek here. Welcome back. So I should have made a video earlier, but there's no time lost. However, I am making the video here today because जैसे हम बात करते हैं निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी का, it is very important for us to understand कि जो मैंने आपको CPR strategy एक समझाया है, आप उसको बैक टेस्ट करो और उसको समझो. Of course, there is an edge involved. मैंने गैप्स के बारे में भी बताया है. उसके बावजूद there is an edge involved that you need to learn, and you can have that edge through any other system, but you need an edge when you're learning. So if you see in the hourly chart, right, if I've got monthly CPR plotted. So if you see my monthly CPR, that was a wide CPR, narrowish CPR and narrowish CPR even now. So as long as the prices are above the monthly CPR, we are looking to take a buying positions in Bank Nifty, and that is the plan. And similarly, I'm going to talk about Nifty as well. But again, this is not a tip, this is not a suggestion, this is just a strategy that works wonderfully well if you follow it properly. Right now, if I go to a 15-minute chart, I'm just going to show it to you on the 15-minute chart because it just makes more sense. If you see here, right, now these are the weekly CPRs that you can see, the blue lines here. Now if you can see, the week before last week we had a narrow WCPR and the prices went up. Now again, wide CPR. So when we have a wide WCPR, we generally avoid trading because that means the prices are just going to move sideways. Now of course this is not sideways, this is approximately $1,000 from here to here, but in a charting time frame, or in a charting way, you can say this is a sideways movement. Now this time we have a narrow weak CPR, all right, and this suggests that if it crosses above this, the prices are gonna go shoot up, okay, at least till the R1 or the R2, whichever is, and you can book your profits whichever is more comfortable to you. However, R1 is near the resistance, the previous high, so this should be enough, I think. If you're doing a 15-minute trade, if you're doing an hourly trade, of course you can check out the monthly R1 here, which is near the R2 in the weekly chart, in the weekly CPR, sorry. ठीक है. So again, अगर आपको CPR समझना है, पिछले वीडियोस को देखिए, that is very important. And ये important समझिए कि जब भी हमारे पास narrow CPR होगा, that suggests a breakout. Now why are we not selling? Because of course we have an edge in the system. If I go and show it to you on a daily chart, तो आपको शायद थोड़ा सा समझ आएगा. Let me alright. So if you see the prices come to value zone, goes up, comes to value zone, there is a bullish engulfing, and if the high breaks, which is also the price is going above the WCPR, it kind of confirms that there is an opportunity here. Okay. Now of course I'm not it'll be too small a time frame or it's too small a time on a YouTube video that you can learn a system or you can learn an edge of a system. It's very difficult, so you have to learn it from anyone, for any professional. You just have to learn a system and then apply these CPRs on that system and see how wonderfully they work. Okay. Similarly, when I open Nifty here, you can see the same thing, right? So if I zoom out, we had a narrow monthly CPR last time. So when we had a narrow monthly CPR, when the prices went above a narrowish WCPR, prices shot up. Now last week was a wide CPR, there is no trade available, and again this week we have a narrow WCPR. Since the prices are above monthly CPR, we are hoping or we expect the prices to break out on the upside, and if it does, you can see my alert is set here and we will look to take a buying positions. All right, so that is the plan for Nifty and Bank Nifty. And again, this is not a tip, guys, this is just for you to observe when there is a narrow WCPR. If the prices go above and close above the CPR, can I take a position on the follow through candle? Can I run it through R2 or R1, whichever floats your boat, of course. And that is for you to see if this works, and then you apply it to your own system. All right, so that's about it, guys. Thank you very much. I think because it's a Monday today, I'm gonna make a small video. Generally the videos are out on Fridays, so I'm just gonna make a small video so that it helps you in any way possible. If you are using this system, you can keep an eye out for it. And we're coming up with our batch on the 19th of July, so if you're interested, please enroll for that. I'll see you on the other side. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.